If you think a small lie on your immigration forms won't matter, well, USCIS just made it very clear that it could cost you everything. On August 20th, 2025, USCIS just updated its policy manual again, and this is about how they're going to start robust screening and vetting for those who are applying for immigration benefits to make sure they are not defrauding the system, especially for those who have ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen. USCIS clarified that a false claim to citizenship, whether it's on a job application, on any type of immigration form, really anything, that could make somebody permanently ineligible to ever get any type of immigration benefit like a green card. And typically there's no waiver available in those situations. And what's different this time with this policy update is that USCIS is now saying that they actually don't care about the intent. So somebody could do it unintentionally, or maybe they misunderstood something, and if they did make that false claim, it could make them permanently ineligible. On many of the immigration applications, there's a question that asks, have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen? This policy shift is a really good reminder to never ever falsely claim to be a U.S. citizen. And if somebody else is filling something out for you and there's questions about whether or not you are a U.S. citizen, you better double check those applications to make sure that another person didn't accidentally say that you're a citizen, because like I said, the intent no longer matters. So you can make the argument all you want that it was unintentional, somebody else did it for you, it was a misunderstanding. Well, with this new policy, USCIS will not care. And if it's a document that requires your signature, like where you have to verify the information and you signed it, but somebody else filled it out, again, it's not going to matter. So make sure you always double check. Now, there are some situations where USCIS will look at things like the age, mental capacity of the person when this false claim was made, but generally speaking, they're going to be very, very strict about this. If you have questions about your immigration situation, you can schedule a consultation through the link in my bio or by calling my office, and that information is also in my bio.